Is your Gears of War E-Day crashing, not launching, black screen, and startup crashes? Well, I'll give you a full guide on how to fix them. Just before we do begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, a quick restart of your PC fixes any temporary glitches or any basic crashes. Sometimes it just does that. So go ahead and restart your PC and see if the problem still persists. Now, what I'd recommend, basically on the first method, open up your Steam, click library right over here, right click on your game, properties, and on the left panel of the new window, click install files, and verify integrity of game files. So basically what it's gonna do, it's basically gonna fix any corrupted files or missing files that may cause the crashes, black screen, and startup crashes. Now wait for it to finish. Now once the verify integrity of game files is done, go ahead and close that out and relaunch your game to see if the problem still persists. Now if that problem still continues for you, let's move on to the next step. So the next step is basically just go ahead on the same page of a library under Steam, right click on your game once more, hover up to manage, browse local files right over here, and a file folder will pop up. Go ahead and go to your executable file for your game. As you can see, the type is application. Go ahead and right click on it and run as administrator. See if the problem still persists. If it does, what I recommend, go back to this page right over here, click properties, go to compatibility, and make sure these two are checked on. So disable full screen optimization is checked, and run this program as an administrator as well is checked. Click apply, then OK. Launch the game from this folder and see if the problem still persists. Close that out. If the problem still persists, is basically what I'm gonna do or make you do is update your GPU driver to the latest version. To do that, click on the arrow up right over here on the bottom right corner. Right click on NVIDIA settings, click NVIDIA app. A new window will pop up, which is the NVIDIA app. On the left panel, click drivers and download the latest available driver for you. So go ahead and do that, download, and an install button should look like this. Do the installation process, click on it. Do the express installation for easier process. Once the installation is done, go ahead and restart your PC for full effect of the GPU driver update. Relaunch your game and it should be fixed. Now, I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video if it did. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.